Facebook live video older than 30 days will be deleted if guys, so we have new update from Facebook. So effective June 23. So Facebook live video older than 30 days will be deleted. If you want to keep on your live, videos have several options available. So you need to download the previous videos live that you have in order to not delete the videos, because that's new update from Facebook effective June 23. So guys, from June 23, it means all live videos is automatic delete after 30 days. So take note on that. So being a content creator, it's not all about live videos. It's all about content. What is your content? What is your niche? So we are not, focused on the live, because now the monetization tools is at least via invitation in Facebook. So same like me, I got invitation by Facebook on content monetization. So it means, guys, you need to focus on your content from now on, because the live will be deleted after 30 days. All the videos you have, all the videos from your live after 30 days, it will be deleted. It means, for example, you are live today, so that will be counted after 30 days. Your live will be automatic deleted. So as a content creator, we need to focus our niche. So what is your niche? Your topic, your content. So that's our niche. So we need to focus on that. We need to focus creating informative entertainment content so that everybody will watch our videos and will get viral. And of course, engagement is very important. So as a content creator, we need to focus also to engagement. So whoever visited on your profile or page, if you are free, please visit them as well, because these people also is content creator, and if you visit them, they are happy, and of course they will return back to you. I'm referring to same like me, guys, because as we know that the big content creator, they have thousand of messages. They cannot accommodate every messages in their comment section. But same like us, we are still small content creator, so we can see everybody who are messaging. So whoever visit our profile or visit our content and leave some comment, so we need to visit them as well and leave some comment on their video. And of course, that's very important in engagement, guys, so that our active followers, our active viewers, they are returning back, especially when we are not we are not yet suggested in algorithm by Facebook. So we need to work on it in order to get the list from algorithm of Facebook. So I hope, guys, you understand. Don't forget to follow, like, and share. Thank you so much and have a nice day.
Guys, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, share my videos and click the bell button, so that you're updated for my latest videos. Thanks for your support. God bless and have a great day.